Hi there. We just released the Goalscape Microsoft Teams app. So you can now integrate Goalscape into Microsoft Teams. It's an awesome way to collaborate with your team. You can use the capabilities of Microsoft Teams, and you can use the power of Goalscape to manage your common and shared goals within your team. And here's how it works. If you want to share a Goalscape inside a Teams channel, just hit the plus sign in the top right here. Search for the Goalscape app. If you can't find the app, talk to your IT administrator. He can enable the app. It's freely available in the Microsoft Teams App Store. Once he's enabled it, you'll find it when you search for Goalscape. Click on Goalscape, log in. You can log in with your Microsoft ID. Click Next. Once you're logged in, you can select the project that you want to share in that given channel. So let's select this project. Hit save. You can decide whether you want to post in the channel about this new tab. Hit save, and it adds a tab with your Goalscape project. This will add the tab for any team member in this project. Note that you still have to share to those team members so they can access the project, because Goalscape has its own rights management system. You can also add Goalscape to your personal apps by either selecting apps down here or those three dots. Search for Goalscape, select the app, add it, and it opens up as your personal app. The difference between this personal app is you can pin it to the sidebar here, and you can also select any project from your Goalscape projects. Select this one, which you can't in the channels on purpose, because the channel is about focusing, and if you try to wander off to other projects in the channel, you will see a notice, an explanation that that's not possible intentionally, because we believe the channels are about focusing, and you want to make sure that you always see the same project in the channel. And that really creates goal focus inside a Teams channel, keeping your team on track and making sure that everybody's on the same page. So try this out. Microsoft Teams and Goalscape are an awesome couple, and let us know what you think. And we're always grateful for feedback.